Hey, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whichever is applicable to you. Welcome to this stream of game development, live game development. I am Stephan and I'm building a game called Outranked, and that has been going on for a couple of weeks now. And we're also pretty close to actually finishing, even, well, it's only has been a few weeks now. I hope that we have no technical difficulties today, like last time. Seems like the stream is running pretty smoothly right now, so that's good. And because I really would like to have the first playable prototype finished today, so I'm gonna jump right in. And that means starting up everything that I need. I've already started one Unity, and let's see, I've already done a lot since last time, in which I did not commit. This is actually something, I don't know what happened there, but it just did line endings, so pretty much nothing special. So I could actually stage those and put them in. Hey Luca, how are you doing? Let's see. Yeah, so I'll just do this. Those are just line endings. I don't know why that happened, but changes some line endings. That's like not really a big commit. Then what I also did was add outlines. Yeah, I'm a bit like, I feel like the holidays are coming and it's gonna be good. I'm not even sure. I haven't even thought about whether or not I'm going to stream over the holidays, because we'll be closing for 2 weeks, and I don't know whether I will be streaming. I will definitely be finishing Outranked, but maybe I'll just do that without streaming. I don't know yet. Maybe streaming is actually nice when people have time to watch, so maybe I'll even stream more. I haven't given it much thought yet, so I'll get back to that. I guess on for those who are not in the Outranked Discord, I will put it on Twitter, and I'll also do some planning on Twitch. I'll put something over there. Let's see. So this stuff is, the untracked files is actually mostly Vivox. So that's I was trying to already add the whoa, that's interesting. Oh, summary. I was trying to add the voice chat functionality to this game, because I think it's going to be the best way to play it is when you're in a in voice channel with your team and not with everybody. But we might want to, this is interesting. Too many files to display. Alright, so that is a problem. Weird. It's weird. Can I, like, oh, I can't do that. By the way, yes, this. Alright, I'll just recently modified untracked files. Yeah, so do I really have to do this? There's too many files, so that's dumb. I feel like I can just use some Git function. Super strange. Untracked files, too many files to display. But I don't need to display them, I just want to add all the untracked files, please. Okay, so this is one thing I'm gonna tell the people of Sublime. I'm gonna report this, like, this is not good. I have to have a way to just add everything that is changed here. Does now I'm gonna have to fire up source tree and do it that way, or just use the command line? Command palette. Add. Oh, here, stage all modified and Untracked. Okay. So Control K, Control A. All right. Let's see if it's gonna running command. Yes, that's a lot. Yes, that's what I mean. Adds VFox Unity library. But it also, I don't actually know what else it did. Mostly just that, I think. Yes. All right, so that's where we're at, and let me open that, and let me also, I just installed Unity 2020.2, but I'm not gonna do that on stream. Like, check it out. I'm going to just open the 2 and 3 in the current 2021 version that I was using already, and then I'll look at 2020.2 later. And then what I can do already is start working actually. So what I got here is the lobby. I'll go back into, I'll actually close the plugins for now. I'm not gonna do the VFox thing on stream. 4 errors, that's just the same ones, okay. Because I did add iOS stuff to the 2020.2, so I shouldn't have that error anymore soon. But for now, what I can do is I'm going to go in a game test scene. Gonna look at shaders and building the level, but that's gonna be easy. There's just a few things that we need for actually testing this game. That's collisions with the obstacles and the things that I'm doing today. So that's the dying and respawning, dying and like flying back or walking back to your base as a ghost and respawning. And the other thing is the codes that everyone will get per team. I haven't explained that, I think, or have I? Oh man, this is so weird. Well, hopefully that's fixed in the next version of Unity as well. Yeah, basically this guy needs to be kind of like, it needs to be semi-transparent, so I have to make kind of a ghost model. We have to make a ghost model, I guess. But for now I'm just gonna have the that's the base material. This is blue, green, red and yellow. I'll copy all of these and make them into blue ghost, green ghost. It's a bit messy right now, but I'll have some time to clean up the project a bit in over the holidays. Ghost. Alright, so let's start with red. I'll actually place another guy in here, normal size, and see. What I could also just do is use the outline system. No, that's not good. I want this thing to be completely transparent. So what I'll just do here is I'll change all those. I wish there was like an expand all button. There isn't, right? No. Yes, so here we have all the meshes. No, not nose. Body, legs. Oh, don't move it, don't move it. Just click. Okay, so these should all have the... That's weird. They should... Oh, that's the feet. Feet. Yeah, I know about that. But then still, it doesn't work as fast. Oh, yeah, I know there's one thing that you can do, like hold shift and just keep expanding them, but there's a problem with the hierarchy plugin with that, so that doesn't work, which is sucky. Blue ghost, where are you? Blue ghost. Oh, there. Alright, so blue ghost, and then I'll just see what it does. So plop 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 plum. Blue ghost, there we are. Let's see if this thing can actually be semi-transparent. It cannot. I mean, I'm using the thing. Yeah, I am. That's a pity. Do I have anything to do this with in the toon shader here? No. Okay, so then I will have to use a different kind of transparent simple. Actually, quite funny. There's I've also got the new toon shader, a flat kit, stylized surface. Whoa, that's a lot of options. Transparent, and I have to go into cell shading mode, single, and that would be the second color of blue. I actually might go into this shader. There we go. And then let's see about the transparency options here. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, so this, and then also what I'm gonna do here is with this object is put this outline on. Why am I not seeing the outline? That's weird. Oh, I'm not in the... Yeah, I am in the game room with the camera having the outliner. Yeah, it does. That one? Yeah, that works. Oh, this one is just... No, back and front. Oh, I don't know why that didn't work before. Okay, so what I can do here is actually add another outlineable. Outlineable is the one that the outlining tool that we use. Like, let's see, if I put this behind there, you see it rendered. That's one thing. So there's that you can't hide behind objects, and the other thing is actually, that's super weird, that it has an outline, which should be clear actually also when it's behind something, but that it doesn't. Well, gonna look at that later. But what I was doing now is actually adding copy, paste, adding another outlineable thing to this, and this outlineable would have a specifically weird filling. Oh, it's actually not back. Fill type, no. And this one, dilate 0, and then field type dots or Fresnel. Ah, that's pretty cool. And then let's see about that. Yes. Outer color, inner color. That's strange because it looks the other way around. Outer color, inner color. Yeah, that's super weird. Well, anyway, I think this is the way to go for now. It looks super weird now, and like this shading. I'm not sure that it would give the impression of being a ghost, but well, for now I'll just take it. So that is going to be my ghost mode outlineable, which also should be disabled from the start. Maybe it should be more like gray. Or even this one. Need to play around with this. Yep, he does look hilarious without a hat. I think this might work actually. Something like this. And now the hat, well, yeah, I mean, I just disabled the default hair here. But the hat won't be transparent, so that's a bit weird. Anyway, we'll see about that. But basically what I've got here now is this thing that I added, outlineable, and that one. No. Oh, here, yes. Added component, apply as override in prefab Ranky. Yes, that's the one. So there is now a component that does this, and I also have a blue ghost color. Now I only need to copy that one to the. Oh, let's just do the other way around. Green, red, yellow, delete. Copy them from blue. And that's better. Red, green. Oh, and yellow. I know that there's just red and blue so far, but copy and paste. Copy. Oh, hold on. 145. Let's keep that there. Oops. $145. That's yellow, red. There. And there. Alpha 145. Then we only have green. And green. All right, we got our colors here and we can use them. Now let's use them when we get defeated. So basically, the server is gonna say to this guy that he's defeated. Yes. Let's open that. That's game logic. Let's meanwhile do all this again. Reopen those. I have this problem all the time. I have to still see which plugin actually causes it, but well. Okay, so I got my game logic here. So let's see, this is the typical in-game portion. Rank result I changed actually too, so that the bomb wins except when the other one is a bomb squad, and it can only be rank 2. And also I changed that the player only gets highlighted and attackable when you are not a bomb or a flag. You lose that bit. Player attack gets called here by the server, and then the rank result should also already be used by that. Should it actually? Because the server, yeah, the server also has to send the authoritative thing, like the player who was attacking and the target player. Yeah, I'll do the rank result here as well. Result, rank result, attacking player and target player, and that means that 1 or 2 wins, or 0 for like 1 or 2 or 0 for equal. Switch result. That's a late response, but okay. Let's see. So if I got 0, then it's a draw and nothing happens. No, both die. Oh, poor you. Case 1, and we've got case 2. So in case 0, we got both. Is this actually what I want? No, sorry, because I want to do this. Oh, yes. If result is 0 or result is 1, then number 1 gets destroyed. And then if result is 0 or result is 2, then number 2 gets destroyed. So what we're doing here is the player dies. Let me just add this and then add a new one. Player dies. For 1, it's the attacking player, and it gets sent to everyone, right? Yes. Target.others. And then who dies? Attacking player. Boom. And I have to add this to the enum. And then for player 2, I can do the same thing, and then it's target player. That's it. So player dies, I still have to build that. So player attacked is the first thing, and then player dies. They already know this because they were attacked, but not everyone knows this. So player dies. And that would be dying player. Oh, alright, so let's see. Player dying player died. And then I guess that we have to look up that player, so we go to the characters, dying player. What? Yeah. Dot died. Die. Oh man. Yes, so let's see, that can just simply be done that way, right? If I know that it's me. How do I know this in character? TNO is mine. Yeah, of course I do that. I know that. So non-drogismos, no. Walk animation. That changed. I'll do it after here. So that's gonna be internal void die. That was what I typed, right? Die. Yes. All right. So die. Die will do something if it is mine. TNO is mine. I will do something, but in any case, I will do the switch material kind of thing. So team does that already. Team colored mesh is team materials. Yes, and I will add another one of these, team ghost materials. And then what I will do here, this bit goes outside. Set materials. And they will, hold on, what? Yes. And this is going to be, yeah, not in team materials. So this depends on whether he's dead. Dead, team ghost materials, and otherwise team materials. Yes, that's good. Yes. And then, so basically when I set team or when I set dead. All right. Actually, we might start with true, because when you spawn, you still have to take a rank, and then, well, that actually could be an option. I'll put this in the design doc, because right now it's like the ghosts can like float around and spy on people, which, depending on the way you're chatting, is going to be interesting. I will put this with options, game options. There we go. One of the options is ghosts can eavesdrop. I mean, I've got here lots of game options already. And one of them would be like, yeah. So that's voice mode, but then one of them is just what I said now, and that was, what did I say? Oh yeah, start as ghosts or not. So that means if you start as ghosts, then you could, one of the people could stay a ghost and actually be kind of a scout, but it might be a shitty thing to do. I don't know, if you have 10 people, it might work. Public bool dead. Get will be dead. And set. That's exactly what we need. Okay, so now I just need to set those materials here in the, come on, in the game room. Game logic. No, hold on, not in the game room. In the Ranky prefab. Team materials. Blue. And then, hold on, what? Oh, that's wrong. Oh yeah, that's wrong. I put this in the wrong place. Hold on, let's see. I will say material, current body material, and then the team material set thing will have a team materials and a team ghost materials. That's where we do it, because base is what we use as a starting point. That will be set to current body material. Let's see, where do I do this? Here. So this and this. If that, then I'm going to use the ghost material, and if not, I'm going to use the team material, but also the replace one, the base one. That's not what I'm going to use. It's going to be current body material dot name. Actually, dot name. That could just be a string. String current body material. And then at this, after setting, we should set current body material to the base, the thing that I'm using actually. That one. Oh no, actually the whole thing. So this actually is not good. I will use material here because then I can actually, oh man, not super quick today. Top name, and I have to replace this as well there because it's gonna maybe be an instance. That would be, I guess. So this is what I'm gonna do here. It's pretty much useless thing to do there, having multiple material sets. That's not good. Material set should be a class, because I want it to be a reference now. Because then I can just do, instead of current body material, I can just replace the base. Alright, material to replace, and here I say to replace is gonna be set.base, and then the new set.base will be that. And this is a bit awkward here. Let's let me just do string to replace name. Let's see. That's super weird. I have to do this thing first because that is done per set, so yeah. That's better. Oh no, it's not better. Jeez. Oh no, I can do this after. Hold on, I'm not thinking straight. So the new base for the set will be set after. And before that, it will just use the base. So what am I doing here? To replace is that it will use this new thing, and then I will do this again for each material set. At the end, I will set it to I will set the base to what the new thing is. Still think that this could be optimized quite a bit. What is going on here? Oh, there. So basically that's bullshit because this only happens once. And to replace is not even used. To replace name. No, this is it. I'm setting it in set base, but this could be optimized. Now ghost materials can finally be filled. But then over here, down there. Yes, there we go. 4 of them, and they will be red ghost, blue ghost, green ghost, and yellow ghost. Then another thing we have to do there is have the ghost effect. Yeah. So basically we have the outlineable for the outline, and then we'll also have the outlineable for the, and I'll open an extra inspector there, just using properties. Just, I mean, I don't know if I should do this, but it is a Unity tip. If you want to put a reference for an object in, like, that has multiple of the same things, of the same components, then you could drag it from the icon itself there. Actually, that one is new. Why is it? What's... Ah, that's good. All right, so this outlineable is here, and this outlineable is going to be there. So now it references that specific component. But just opening the extra inspector, which is not just an inspector, it's an actual property inspector just of that thing. You can't change it by selecting something, is a very handy thing. So yeah, I just need to use them basically. So once I die, which is over here, then the dead becomes true, And if it's mine, then I will... Doesn't really matter even. I just have to do something with... Oh, it does matter because the other people will not see me anymore. Yeah. This is true. This much is true. Actually, all the renderers should be disabled. Set materials will be changed to set... Oh my goodness. Set renderers. Because what I'm gonna do is disable the rendering of those things entirely. Oh, why should I actually? I should spawn a corpse, but that's for later, I guess. Let me just say that as well. To do spawn corpse. The player should disappear, which means that all those renderers should be disabled, but not only those. Let's see, all the renderers. I will collect them at the start. Can I? I will make an extra one. All renderers. Yes, that's better. So set renderers basically is gonna do the whole thing, but then also if dead and is not mine, then I'm going to disable for each. Actually just do this front because I do not need to do all the rest. For each for each render in all renderers, renderer dot enabled is false. Good. And then after that, return. Else I'm going to enable all of them. That's better. And then the materials get set. Yes. That seems wise. Then if it is dead, do I have to do anything else? No, I have to just stop sending positional updates, because otherwise some hacker could just see where I'm going. If Tino is mine and not dead. Simply that. And then the other thing would be the position. Here. On server, if not dead, we send the position updates. That seems okay, which means that the only thing left for the dying is to, whenever you are back at the base, be able to pick a new rank. So the base should have a collider. Base. Boom. Base doesn't have anything yet. Let's see. I have to go to the base prefab. Yes. There we are. Nothing. Let's add the SN object. Oh, what? Simple physics. Hold on, what? Did I not? Oh, SN object. SP object. Yes, that's it. Collider shape is a rect right now. Yes. Width is 10 and height is 10. I don't have anything showing that here yet, but let's just keep it at that. Then check circle rect needs to be implemented. Let's do super quick. There's a couple of ways to check, but I will do it super simple now. To do improve. I already know that because what I'm doing now is just going over those four. The rects are actually not just rects, it's only axis aligned. So I'm going to do the axis aligned ones now. So I'll check those quadrants. Right is going to be hold on, circle rect, right? It will always do circle rect. First shape, yeah, okay. So the X position of the circle minus the radius would be bigger than the right side of the width. Oh, I should store the half width. That's gonna save quite some calculations there. Oh yeah, I have to go to SP object itself. Awake. Half width is gonna be width. Oh, width divided by 2, and half height is gonna be height divided by 2. And now in the simple physics, I can just use half width. Oh, come on. Half width. That is not super handy. It's internal. Let's do that. Yes. Okay. Basically, this means early out. So if return, that's right. Left is exactly the same. But then that. Same goes for top and bottom. And then this should be height. Oh. and then we should check the actually, so I should put this here, and then if that's not the case, we're aligning. Yeah, makes sense. Now, for the logic of using it is the base. Collision with. Yes, both on collision enters are used. So basically this will be base, and in the character thing I can say on collision enter if yes character. This I can do more quickly I think, but use faster system. Physics tags or something, like the physics object would have. You could tag it with a number, something like that. Else, oh hold on, return. Then oops, if so this is the character thing, and the other one would be if it's a base. Actually, this takes more than doing this bit in the base, or doesn't it? Yeah, because the base will only get hit by a character. So on collision enter I did here with that's actually logical to do this in the base as well. SP object SPO get component, and then we'll generate these, actually copy them from character as well. Oops, where are they? They are here. Copy those to base. And now we've got a character, and if there's a character, there is going to be a event there that says it entered base. Hey, hello. Yeah, that would do it actually. I don't need the return here anymore. There, yes. And there would be, if that isn't no, left base. Oh, actually, this. Which base did it leave? Ah, come on. That and that. Cool. Now all we have to do here is add those things. Public void entered. Whoa! Whoa! That's whoa! Where does that thing come from? Wow. Okay. Void entered base and with base. Oh, base is actually base. Let's say entered then. and left base with base left. Yes, the base has a team ID, which now is not readable, but let's make sure that it is. If entered dot team ID is the same as my team. Yes, that's also a character as a team ID, right? Team ID, yes. So if then that means I've entered my own base, and otherwise I need to do stuff for like capturing the flag or something. Oh, that's that's the last bit I need before we're able to test. So that's too bad. If I am a ghost, is it? Oh yeah, if TNO is mine, that's not gonna help. That should be on the character side. That should be here. And then we should see what happens when other player enters the base. Do we actually do that? Yes, we do, because we get the updates. We'll have to see about all that, because right now you could like follow everyone, and that wouldn't work. Yeah, entered base. If I'm dead, then I would have to open the rank picker. So how did I do this again? Request cards left, show cards. Yeah, show cards, that's it. Yeah, basically that's it, I think. Game logic dot client instance dot show cards. Can't do that. I know why I can't do that. It's not internal. All right. Show cards, which means, yeah, that's that. And then also, if I show cards, there's one other thing I still need to do, is that when I do this, I should disable the walking. It's the floor. That's ranky. Where's the floor then? That's arena forest, terrain. Oh, bounce floor? No, that's weird. What does it have? Floor target. Oh, wow. Shouldn't have that. Those are the out of bounds floors. They shouldn't have the floor target script. They have the graphical only, that's good. Bases. But there's no floor target anymore, I guess. No. But I was clicking the other time. Oh, I didn't spawn this room actually, no. I did the empty one. So terrain should actually have a floor target. One pointer down. Terrain collider, that should work. Yeah, that should work. Terrain for, yes, that one. And the other arena, actually, the empty arena, which is the one I was using, also has floor target. Yeah. Okay, so floor target should be disabled. I have some references here. Let's see, when I am showing the cards, it should actually already disable floor target.instance.disable. Enabled is false, and then whenever I actually picked a rank assigned, rank assigned, get rank picker is not active anymore. There I get to enable the thing again so that I can walk again. Yeah, let's test it. Let's see if those ones spinned up. That looks a lot better than before, so that's good. Game. Simulator, please. Yes, thank you. Oops. A iPhone 6, please. Scale 50. Same here. Whoop. Simulator iPhone 6. Please rotate. And 50. Good. All right. Let's get going. Game test. No, this should be server. And there we go. It's probably something that I didn't think about, but we'll see. First client. Host new game. Oof, ow, ooey, ah, something going wrong here. Check collision. Check retract. Did I somehow... Oh, it's there. Not implemented. Oh! Oh, I'm checking everything against everything. That is true. I will change these to do instead of throw. Oh god, this is bad. Alright, but I should have something marking them static. That it won't check two objects that are static against each other. Let's say I can really do that now. Let's say serialize field bool is fixed. And then for each object, if objects buffer is fixed, what SP object does not... Oh! Blah. Jeez. Should be an SP object that is fixed, of course. There we go. Radius and is fixed. That's it. Is fixed. Should be internal. If it's not fixed and the other one is also not fixed. No, sorry, or yes. Then we check the collision. All right. And then in the base prefab, I don't even need to open it. The SP object is fixed. Why is it not showing? Should say here. Didn't I save it? Oh man. It's not showing. I don't have like a editor for it, do I? Oh, I do. That's interesting. Why did I? Oh, because of the shape and the, yeah. Okay. Property field is fixed. Is fixed. Is fixed. Base is a fixed object now. All right, should work, hopefully. Launching the server and launching client 1, and again, let's do it. Let's do it. Host new game. There's a base here. What's it doing there? That's super weird. Let's see if red also, if this one also shows a base, but join red team, blue team. It's also not doing the red thing anymore. That's kind of weird. I did that this one would become red. Antlers, braids, doesn't matter. Let's do mohawk, I don't know. Oof. And it's red on blue. And this one is, okay, boom, and they're already able to attack, which is super weird. And they are ghosts, of course, but yeah, so that's what I forgot as well. Oh, they don't update because they're ghosts. Ah, yes. That's not correct. That is not correct. In this game, the ghost position should be sent to the teammates. Yes. That is that. Where's character gone? Alright, so basically the don't know yet about that, but I will do. Oh, come on. This if dead is one thing and else is another thing, because if dead it will only send this to the teammates. I already did that somewhere. Huh. For each teammate in server logic dot team game logic dot client instance dot team what? That's weird. Server logic dot instance. Where's the team players thing? I thought I put that in server logic. No. Team players. In game logic. Oh, it's just... Okay. Game logic dot team dot client instance dot team players my own team, and that will be +1 because this is team ID. Yes, or is it the other way around? Team ID team +1, so it's -1. Int team -1. That should be it for each teammate. I should have this one used already somewhere. Oh, there. Player teams requester. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I did that already. And we'll send the new position to the teammate. That's what I'm doing here. It's the other way around, by the way. If I'm dead, I'm only sending to teammates. If I'm not dead, I will send it to everyone. Yes. Then the same thing goes for the sending of the position by the server. That's a bit more tricky. Because it's the... Oh no, it's actually not more tricky because the team thing is known as well. Yeah, so if dead, like if not dead is this one, and otherwise it will be this. Good. What now? Let's see, I'm starting up dead. That was a problem because I don't get undead. Where was that? I need to be not dead anymore after I pick the rank. Here, rank assigned, that one. Player character.rank is rank. actually that means player character dot dead is false. What also should happen is when dead is set to false, if to true, if dead, rank what is it, -1? Hold on, what? It's just a field? Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I don't know how I changed that thing. The display is only set in game logic, is it? Self rank set active false. What's going on here? Player teams does not exist. Why? What happened to player teams? Oh, hold on. Something. Oh my god. Yes. Here we go again. Where is it? Show cards. There. False. Okay, cool. I think we're getting a little bit further now. And otherwise, it's still time to stop soon. So that means no testing with the team tomorrow, right before the holidays. Because I did not get as far as I would have hoped. But maybe we get lucky and it's further than I thought. But there's also no flag to capture yet. But that's just we could still already test all the interactions. So this is not nice. There's already a base. No, he's standing on the base. That's the weird thing. I know what's happening there. The base is a physics object which gets their position updated. Boom. Ouch. Yeah. I know. Well, next time, I guess. Let's see. The simple physics object is fixed. Positions don't get updated here. They get updated in simple physics. Or in the object itself. I guess in the object itself. On enable. Yeah, position doesn't get set to the object's position at the start. That is super weird. This stuff. If not is fixed, because if it's fixed it will never change its position. And also on awake, or actually on enable even, the position is set from transform node position, so that's super weird there. Yeah. Position.y is going to be position.z. And actually this thing should not change, so that's weird. Whoops. A little bit better. It's still far from perfect, but that looks better. He's red, but doesn't get red. That's a shame. Blue. Antlers. And orange field. Red and blue. There is a no reference thing here happening. Now we'll get into that. But first I'm gonna... yes, it does work now. So let's see what happens. Their legs are below 0, so that's not good. But, well. The funny thing is with this outline renderer, you actually see their legs under the ground there. Alright, let me attack. And that one becomes a ghost, which is perfect. And doesn't send its updates anymore. Ooh. Alright, sorry. There's so much more going on here. It does become a ghost, but nope. Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I didn't set the. Let me just do that quickly, and then I'm gonna stop for now. The renderers. They are not set. All renderers. There they go. That's it. Yep. All renderers. Whoop. That's that. Alrighty. Should be, yeah, it's good now. And that will be it for today, I'm afraid. But what did we do? Quite a lot. Adds ghost status and dying logic. Is that it? Yeah, I mean it adds the little collision, but well, adds colliders to bases. All staged, commit. I'm finally gonna push all these. Yep, that's quite a lot, but that is also it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon. I have no idea if I'm gonna be streaming over these next 2 weeks. It might be that I'm taking a vacation, which will show in the Twitch status, of course, as Virtual Play NL will be back date. If I will stream, I might not do it this Sunday, I'm not sure. So let's just wish everybody a very nice holiday season, like nice Christmas or Hanukkah or whichever thing you're doing. Nice holidays and a good new year, which could not be much worse than 2020, to be honest. So everybody's looking forward to 2021. I think it will take a little while before we get back to normal, but that's it. Yeah, please like, subscribe, follow, and if you really like this and want to support us, you can become a patron. Our Patreon link is in the description on YouTube and in our profile on Twitch. And with the last bit of music, it is still the same this year. I think next one might be the music from Outranked, but this one is still the music that I did for the last Ludum Dare in October. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time whenever it will be. Bye.